Hello everyone, welcome to class and this is direct proportion. So we are still on direct proportion. We started in two classes ago where we talked about definition of proportion and then relationships in proportion. And then the last class we solved questions involving using the standard relationships to solve proportion questions. So in today's class we'll be looking at proportion questions, but not based on standard relationships. Remember, I said in proportion that the first thing that must be established is the relationship. From there, we'll use it to solve other problems. So let's see, what will 8 pencils cost at 7 naira 50 kobo each? What will 8 pencils cost at 7 naira 50 kobo each? So we must be able to establish a relationship. Now, our relationship will come from this part of the question at 7 naira 50 kobo each. At 7 naira 50 kobo each. So what that tells us is that one pencil, one pencil is equal to what? Is equal to 7 naira 50 kobo. One pencil is equal to 7 naira 50 kobo. Okay, so let's see what we have. Now we are looking for 8 pencils. 8 pencils, 8 pencils, and that will be equal to, we are looking for the cost, so that will be x. If we cross multiply, remember I said direct proportion, the trick there is that we cross multiply. So 1 times x, that will give us x equal to, then 7 naira 50 kobo times 8. So 7 naira 50 kobo times 8, that will be, we can do this, that will give us this 40, 56, that will be 6. Okay, so our x is equal to 660 naira. Our x equals to 60 naira. So that means 8 pencils equal to 60 naira. Okay, so we move to the second question. Find the cost of 1 1/4 meat. All right, so let's see, find the cost of 1 1/4 kg of meat at 250 naira each. Okay, this is naira. Find the cost of 1 1/4 kg of meat at 250 naira per kg. At 250 naira per kg. Per kg means for 1 kg. So that is where our relationship will come from. Our relationship will come from there, which is 1 kg is equal to what? Is equal to 250 naira. So we are looking for 1 1/4, that will be equal to 5 all over 4. So 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So that will give us 5 all over 4 kg will be equal to x. And then we cross multiply. So 1 times x will give us x equal to, then we'll now have 5 all over 4 times 250 all over 1. 2 goes into 4, 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2 remainder 1. 2 into 10, 5. So we'll be left with x equal to 125 times 5. That will give us 625 all over 2. So that will give us x equal to, by division, this will be 312.312 point this. So since it's money, that means 5 over 4 kg will be equal to 312 312 naira 50 kobo. Okay, so we move to number 3. Remember, the basic thing under proportion is that you must be able to establish a relationship. You must be able to establish a relationship first. So 25,000 naira was shared equally among four persons. How much did each person get? 25,000 naira was shared equally among four persons. Among four persons. So the relationship we are having there is that four persons, four persons got what? Got 25,000 naira. Now, how much did each person want? So we are to find for one person. So one person will be equal to x. All right. So we do our cross multiplication. 4 times x, that will give us 4x equal to equal, sorry about that, equals to 25,000 naira. So all over 4, and then our x will be equal to 4 here 1, 4 into 25, that will be 6, remainder 1. 4 into 10, that will be 2, remainder 2. 4 into 25, and 4 into 0, 0. So that will give us 6250. So that means one person will be getting what? Will be getting 6,250 naira. Okay, let's move to number 4. Number 4, 3 crates of mineral contains 72 bottles. 3, 3 crates of mineral contains 72 bottles. 3 crates of mineral contains 72 bottles. That's the relationship. Find the number of bottles contained in 12 crates. So 3 crates equal to 72 bottles. Okay. And then we have to find the number of bottles contained in 12 crates. In 12 crates. So 12 crates will be equal to, you have to find the number of bottles, and then we cross multiply. 3 times x, that will give us 3x equal to 72 times 12, that will give us 4 here 144, and then 72, that will be 468. So that will be 864, and then we divide by 3. 3 year 1, 3 year 2, remainder 2, 3 year 3 into 26, that will be 8, remainder 2, and 3 year, that will be 8. So you have that x will be equal to 288. So that means 12 crates 12 crates will be equal to what? 12 crates will be equal to 288 bottles. All right, so that's the idea of proportion. You get a relationship, and then you put you check for what you are asked to find, and then if it is direct, you cross multiply, and then you can apply simple equation to get your answer. Okay, so we have activity questions here. Please carefully go through them. We have 2 pages of activity questions from number 1 to 8 for the first page. All they're all under direct proportion. So you go through them carefully, solve them carefully based on what you've done, apply the relationship first, and then you can now go to find what you are asked to find. And then the next page from number 9 to number 16, still on direct proportion. Thank you for staying through to this video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share this amazing content to others. See you in the next class. Thank you.